I'm Starla Basco with Starla Seasonings and Mixes. I'm with the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game with Rich McNutt. Today we're making Hasselback baked potatoes. So here we pre-cooked our baked potatoes, and we're going to lay some knives next to them so we can easily cut across them without the knife going all the way through to the cutting board. You could also use some chopsticks. So just make nice even cuts all the way down the length of your potato. This is also a great way if you have leftover baked potatoes left from the night before. You can make them into something even more fantastic. So here you have your baked potato all sliced nice and even but not cut through. Now we're going to load it up. So we have some wild boar bacon. So we're going to put that in each slice. And then we have some cheese. And you could add whatever you want into here. These are nice. You can do them ahead of time. And then I freeze them. And then when you're ready for a meal, you just pull them out of the freezer and pop them onto the grill or into the oven. Now we're going to place them on a piece of tin foil, and we're going to add a couple pads of butter, and I'm going to sprinkle it with my citrus dill seasoning. The glorious garlic is also really marvelous on this one. So just sprinkle some seasoning over the top. And that's probably a tablespoon and a half. And now we're going to wrap up our potato. Now you could do regular bacon too, or you could use ham. You could use sausage. So add these for, just do them to flavor with whatever your family loves. I like mine with a pepper jack cheese or a provolone cheese in it. So all we're really doing on the grill is warming the potato and melting the cheese because the potato is already cooked. So now we're going to head out to the grill with our citrus dill walleye and our Hasselback baked potatoes. So the grill is all preheated. So just add your potatoes and your foil packet with your fish on it. And then close it up, and we'll check it in about 8 to 10 minutes and see if our fish is flaky. So we're back to the grill to check on our citrus dill walleye. And we'll check our potatoes too. So these just have to have everything melted and warm. And they're nice and cheesy. So we'll take these back in the house and get them ready for dinner. We just came from the grill and we're ready for supper. So first we're going to place our potatoes on the plate, and they're nice and cheesy. And then our beautiful walleye with citrus dill. Still have our mixed salad greens, with our creamy avocado dressing. I'm Starla Basco with Starla Seasonings and Mixes. I'm with the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game with Rich McNutt. And this is our Hasselback potato, our walleye with citrus dill, white wine and butter, and our creamy avocado dressing. Let's eat. Enjoy.
Become a wild game cooking master by watching our professional chefs show us how to prepare outstanding wild game meals, desserts, and side dishes. Thanks for watching the Wild Things Show, Cooking Wild Game. This is Rich McNutt. Enjoy.